You want me to do what? Hey, well, hello to my YouTube family. Almost 1,000 strong, I think. I haven't looked in a day or so. And to those of you that still watch, I appreciate you, regardless of the ridiculous shit that you type in my comment section. So, I wanted to let you guys know what was going on. I'm in the process of transitioning over to Rumble. Well, what's that mean to you? Well, it means that I'm still going to put videos here. I'm just not going to put all of my videos here. And the reason is actually pretty simple. There's two main reasons. First of which, listen, YouTube censors everything that we want to say. You say the wrong thing, you're gone. You play the wrong music, you're gone. You don't pretend you're woke, you're gone. And I just have a very serious problem with that. The second reason is because YouTube has been throttling people, okay? If you didn't know this, it's not that they're not showing our videos to anybody. It's not that they're not notifying people. They show us the statistics. 64% of the people who watched my video 2 days ago were notified, which is super great. But it also makes me wonder, like, if 64% of almost 1,000 people got notified, why the hell did I only have 74 views? Yeah. It means people are fucking lazy. And I don't want to be around lazy people. So if you want to be fired up and you want to be like where all the cool kids are, if you want to be like in the know, then take your ass to my Rumble page. It's that easy. I'll leave a link down below. You can do that. Now, the other reason is, I told you, is they're throttling people. Now, what does that mean? It means that when I make a YouTube short every single morning, every Monday through Friday morning for my Patreons. I feel that I owe it to them, let them know what's going on in my life, let them see inside what's going on. You guys just get the facade, okay? These people know what my chickens look like. They know everything about me. But anyway, that's not the point. The point is that I make that 1 minute YouTube short and it takes 10 damn minutes to upload. I can make a 10-minute video on Rumble and it takes 20 minutes to upload. That's a pretty significant difference. I use the same quality of video. I use the same camera every single time. I do everything exactly the same. But for some reason, YouTube is just, their little algorithm just has to nitpick every stupid little thing that's said or done on the screen. I don't want anything to do with it anymore. I'm still going to be here for you guys. When we hit 1,000, that's going to be great. It's going to be a mark. I've got another channel that has over 1,000. But yeah, whatever, you know. No, you can't touch my TikTok army. The TikTok army, it just went over 145,000. I made a video today, and it has over 1,500 views already. 800 thumbs up, 800 little hearts. I don't understand. So maybe YouTube is the problem. Maybe I'll stick around just to make these little videos from time to time to kind of like give you a little nudge. Not a throat chop, not an eye poke, just a little nudge to make you realize that the platform's dead. The platform is absolutely dead, even to the point where people who are the bigs, who are like, they live off of your clicks, are going, this platform isn't dead. No, who said that? Yeah, I said it. Go to Rumble, link downstairs. I hate saying that downstairs. Yeah, go downstairs. Link down there in the Discord. See what's going on in Rumble. Help me build a community there. I've already got 200 people in there, bro. I've already got 200 followers in there. I just need you guys, and I did it again. I just need you guys to come online. I need you guys to get with the program. And I need you to do it because it's not just good for me, it's good for you. All right, guys. If you like to support what I'm doing, there's a link down there. Take your ass to Rumble. Until the next time. Oh, wait a minute. And to the guy, I'm going to let it slide this time, but to the guy who said, maybe you should make more videos. Maybe you said you were going to abandon us. Maybe that's why you don't have any views. Yeah, tell that to my TikTok army. Tell that to the people on Rumble. Get with the program. All right, guys. Serious this time. I'm talking to you. Stay safe. Have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.